We come to the elevator at O-ZAR. I said O'Hare. Where did O'Hare come from?
I don't know. Maybe they like the Lorax or something.
Anyways, this is the elevator at O-ZAR. Classic Galleria. This replaced the Bye Bye Baby elevator, although the service elevator is still accessible to the public. Nathan will be very happy about that, although he won't even remember this. I like this design though. Here we go. There we go. There we go. Brand new install. This is the new elevator. This is put this in for O-ZAR. I believe the service elevator is still, wow, very fast, going down at least. Is this Daft Punk? I think it is. It will go. Alright, that's that.